Hello and welcome to the Daily English Bite, the podcast where we slice up the English language into easy, digestible pieces. I'm your host, James, and as always, I'm here with my fantastic co-host, Lima. How's it going, Lima?
Hi, James. Doing really well, thanks. A bit swamped with a few things, but absolutely thrilled to be here with our listeners. How about you?
Couldn't be better. Ready to dive into some seriously handy words today, the kind you'll hear on every corner.
That's right, everyone. Today we're chatting about common, everyday English words. These are the words that native speakers have running on repeat. Using them will make your English sound smooth and natural. Exactly. Think of them as your secret toolkit for flowing conversations. But before we jump in, if you're enjoying this, do us a huge favor, hit subscribe, share this with a friend, and leave us a rating. It makes all the difference. Absolutely. Your support is everything. Okay, James, you ready to kick off our list?
Born ready, Lima. Let's do this.
All right, let's start with words for work and getting things done. Words that help you sound clear when you're in the thick of it.
Perfect. First one up is actually. It's everywhere.
Yes, like, actually, I'm in a meeting right now. It means in fact or really, right?
Spot on. Or, I thought the report was due Friday, but actually it's Thursday. It's a polite way to correct or clarify something. Adds a nice layer to what you're saying.
What's next on the work list?
Next is probably. As in, I'll probably finish this by end of day.
Probably. So it's like saying it's very likely, but not 100% certain.
Yeah. I'll probably grab a coffee on the way. You're pretty sure, but life might have other plans. It shows a strong chance without locking yourself in.
So useful. Like, it'll probably be busy at the restaurant, so we should book.
Exactly. Next, we've got two peas in a pod. Kind of and sort of.
Oh, these are great for softening what you say. I'm kind of tired after that presentation.
Right. Or, the new software is sort of confusing at first. They mean a little bit or somewhat. So you're not saying you're completely exhausted, just kind of there.
It takes the edge off. It's kind of chilly in here, isn't it?
Perfect for describing things without being too strong. Next work word, deal with.
As in, I have to deal with a tricky client this afternoon.
Deal with means to handle or manage a situation, often a problem. Can you deal with this invoice query? It's all about taking action on something.
My job involves dealing with technical issues all day. Super common in professional talk.
It is. And wrapping up work, we have schedule. Let me check my schedule.
Schedule. Your plan, your diary, your agenda. What does your schedule look like tomorrow?
My schedule is packed, so I can't take on anything else. Essential for time management.
Great starter kit for work, James.
Thanks. Okay, Lima, let's shift to words for everyday chats, the glue that holds conversations together.
Yes, these are key for sounding natural. First, guess what?
Love this one. Guess what? I finally got that promotion.
It's for sharing news with a bit of drama. It's like saying, you'll never believe this. It grabs attention.
Totally. Guess what? I ran into Sarah at the airport. Creates a little moment.
Next is, by the way.
By the way, did you get my email about the meeting?
It's your go-to for adding a related point or changing track slightly. You're talking about plans for Saturday and then say, oh, by the way, your mom called. It feels very natural.
Smooth transition. Then we have anyway.
Anyway, back to what I was saying.
This is for steering back to the main topic or wrapping up a tangent. Or if you need to end a call. Anyway, I should let you go. Polite and efficient.
Now, this next one is so versatile it deserves a second mention in this context. Actually,
Yes, we had it for work, but it's a superstar in daily talk too. Do you want pizza? Actually, I had it for lunch.
it's for polite corrections or slight clarifications in conversation. I thought you loved that band. Actually, I prefer their older stuff.
And finally, for chit-chat, I mean. This one is so natural.
I mean, you use it to explain yourself better or rephrase. The dinner was okay, it wasn't bad, just a bit bland.
Right. Or you say something a bit strong and soften it. He was being rude. He wasn't yelling, but his tone was off. It helps you fine-tune your thought.
These words are the oil in the conversational engine.
They really are. Now let's talk home life, the domestic scene.
Brilliant. First, a classic, leftovers. We're just having leftovers tonight.
Leftovers. The saved food from a previous meal, the chef's best friend and time saver. Are there any leftovers from the curry? Means no cooking required. I love leftovers for lunch.
Me too. Next, a word we all know too well. Messy. Sorry about the messy living room. Messy means untidy, things out of place. The kids' room is always a bit messy. The opposite of neat.
If your desk is messy, you might have papers, cups, and cables everywhere. Finally, for home, fix. I need to fix the dripping tap.
Fix means to repair, to make something work again. Can you fix my headphones? The right side isn't working.
I've got to fix the shelf before it falls down. A household essential.
Simple but powerful words. Okay, James, on to digital life. Phone and internet words, because that's where we live now, right?
So true. Modern essentials. First, log in and log out. Did you log into the new project portal?
Log in means to enter your details to access an account. Log out is to exit securely. Always log out of your banking app on public Wi-Fi.
Next, scroll. I was just scrolling through Twitter.
Scroll is that up-down finger movement on a screen to see more content. Scroll down to read the comments. Scroll up to refresh the page.
Then, upload and download. I'm downloading the podcast episode to listen offline.
Download is to bring a file from the internet to your device. Upload is to send a file from your device to the internet. I need to upload these photos to the cloud.
I'll download the form, fill it in, and then upload it back to the website. Core digital verbs.
Absolutely. Now let's get emotional. Words for feelings and reactions.
Important stuff. First, annoyed. I'm getting really annoyed by this constant noise.
Annoyed is that mild anger or irritation about something bothersome. I was annoyed when they canceled at the last minute. It's not rage, just a nagging feeling.
Next, a positive one. Excited. I'm so excited for the holiday.
Excited is that bubbly, enthusiastic feeling of anticipation. The kids are excited about the school trip, full of happy energy.
And finally, frustrated. I'm so frustrated with this slow internet.
Frustrated is when you're upset or impatient because you're stuck or can't achieve something. I feel frustrated when I can't find the right words in English. It's that blocked, helpless feeling.
He was frustrated by the lack of clear instructions. These words help you express your inner state clearly.
They're connection words. Okay, last category, James. Shopping and city life.
Practical and street smart. First, check out. You have to check out that new cafe on Main Street.
Here, check out means to look at or try something interesting. It can also mean to pay at a store. I'll just check out these books and meet you outside.
2 meanings, Super handy. Next, run out of. We've run out of coffee. Crisis.
Run out of means to use the last of something, to have none left. I ran out of petrol on the motorway. A bad day.
We're running out of time to finish this. Very common phrase. And our final one for today, take a look. Take a look at this jacket. It's half price.
Take a look is to examine or consider something briefly. Can you take a look at this email before I send it? It's a casual request to review.
A salesperson might say, take a look around, let me know if you need help. Friendly and inviting.
And there we have it, a whole toolkit of everyday English.
Wow, Lima, that was a solid list. I hope our listeners feel equipped. These words are the bread and butter of daily talk.
Absolutely. Sprinkle them into your conversations and you'll sound more natural instantly. Remember, the trick is to practice. Try using 1 or 2 new words each day.
Great advice. And listeners, your turn. Please subscribe to the Daily English Bite if you haven't already. Share it with a fellow learner. And most importantly, talk to us. Drop a comment and tell us, which of these words do you use the most? Or what's your most used everyday word that we didn't mention?
We read every single one and they truly make our day. Thanks so much for hanging out with us.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep chatting, and take it easy. See you soon.
Bye, everyone.